How to enable Spotify Jam. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable Spotify Jam. Now, the first thing you want to do is launch open the Spotify app on your device. Now, you want to tap on this icon right here from the device you're playing on, or tap from your favorite public playlist. Then tap Start a Jam. Now tap Invite. Here you can share your QR code or tap Share link and send it to your friends. You can also bring your phones close together to get them to join the jam if you're logged into Spotify and your Bluetooth is turned on. Spotify will automatically start a jam when you are connected to a smart speaker or most Bluetooth speakers. User on the same Wi-Fi will receive an invitation to your jam. If both you and others have Bluetooth permissions enabled, others will receive an invitation to your jam by having their phone close to yours. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.